Hey, Danielle K. Howell here, your online success coach from youronlinesuccesscoach.com. And in this quick video, I want to talk about believing in your ability to become successful. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so what do you need to believe in yourself? I think this is one of the problems that most people face, and I faced this myself when I first started in business. I was skeptical. I felt inadequate. That low self-confidence that you need in order to be successful. All successful people have a level of confidence about them. They understand that they have a certain level of power, and so when you step into that power and when you start to believe in your ability to succeed, everything in your life changes, because now when you believe in yourself, your self-perception becomes bigger. It becomes magnified. So it all depends on where you are starting from. Now, I don't know about you, but I started from, an abusive household. My self-esteem was very low as a child. I was shy, not very confident about the things that, I wanted to do. Never really had much support. So when it came to me making decisions on my own and doing things for myself, at first I was very apprehensive. But as I got a little older, I started engaging in personal development. I started doing, self-reflections, and I started just empowering myself. Then I started to understand that I was more than I thought I was. I was more than what, my parents had told me. And so one of the people in my life that actually helped me to see myself as more was one of my fourth grade teachers, Miss Denton. Miss Denton was such a great teacher. God bless her soul. I hope she's still alive. I don't know. But, she helped me to believe in myself. She saw me for more than what I saw in myself, and even what my parents used to tell me. So just by her believing in me and having confidence in me and my abilities, I started to come out of my shell a little bit. And, along your journey, you're going to find at least one person that's going to help you to become more empowered. And so hopefully you found that person. And when you're in business, you're going to have a mentor or a coach and a coach. I'm going to say a mentor and a coach. A coach is someone that's going to tell you, look at your processes, let you know what you're doing wrong. And a mentor is going to show you exactly what they're doing to create the success that they're having. So when you start to follow these people, when you start to follow people and learn from people who make more money than you, who have more power than you, who have more, notoriety than you, and you start to mingle in different circles with different types of people, it's going to rub off on you. It's going to make you feel like, man, if they can do it, I can do it, And that's what happened to me when I started going to events and conventions and started seeing these people making all this money and living their best life. I was like, wait a minute, if they can do it, I can do it. If they can do it, I can do it. So that's one of the things that I want you to think about. And, I want you to empower yourself. I want you to understand that empowerment comes from within. But yes, you may have to see people, on the outside of you who maybe look like you, who are more who maybe exhibit the same traits that you have, and maybe their stories are similar to yours. But what I want you to know at the end of the day is that you can do anything you put your mind to. So if you want to become a successful entrepreneur, you can do it. But you have to have the right tools. You have to gain some skills. You have to believe in yourself. You have to increase your knowledge, and you have to hang around the right people, some coaches, some mentors, and people who make much more money than you, and people who are doing what you want to do. Because at the end of the day, you become you become the people that you hang around. So keep that in mind. Understand that your level of success depends on your level of the people that you are around, and what are they doing and how are they showing up in their lives and in their businesses. If they don't have a business and their life is crappy, then you don't want to hang around them. You want to hang around successful people so that you can know how to become successful. And ultimately, as you continue to hang around them, you'll see how they think, how they maneuver, and your thinking process will start to change as well. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video, share it, comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.